What if we told you the computer you're using today has roots going back thousands of years? That the sleek device in your pocket is the descendant of humble beginnings, born from a lineage of ingenuity stretching back to the dawn of civilization. Join us now on a remarkable journey through time as we trace the evolution of the computer. From the simplest counting tools to the mind-boggling capabilities of artificial intelligence, we'll uncover the key innovations and the brilliant minds that brought us to this digital age. Prepare to be amazed by the relentless human pursuit of knowledge and the insatiable desire to create machines that can not only calculate, but also think. Our exploration begins in the cradle of civilization, where the very concept of numbers first took root. Our ancestors, faced with the challenges of a growing society, needed a way to keep track of their flocks, their grain, the passing of time itself. In the dust of ancient Mesopotamia, they fashioned the first counting tools, pebbles, tokens, markings etched onto bone. These rudimentary devices, simple as they seem, represented a profound leap forward. For the first time, humans could manipulate abstract concepts, to calculate and to quantify their world. In the East, the abacus emerged, its beads clicking out calculations with surprising speed and accuracy. But it was in ancient Greece, amidst the marble columns and philosophical debates, that we encounter a truly astonishing creation, the Antikythera mechanism, a device of such intricate gears and dials. It has been hailed as the world's first analog computer. Imagine the ingenuity required to conceive and construct such a device over 2,000 years ago. This intricate clockwork, salvaged from the depths of the Mediterranean Sea, could track the movements of celestial bodies with remarkable precision. It serves as a testament to the boundless potential of human ingenuity, even in the ancient world. The Antikythera mechanism stands as a beacon, a testament to the enduring human quest to understand and control the world around us. It is a reminder that the seeds of the digital age were sown long ago in the fertile ground of human curiosity. Centuries passed, empires rose and fell, but the quest to build machines that could mimic the human mind continued unabated. In the 17th century, a new era dawned, the mechanical revolution. Blaise Pascal invented a calculating machine that could perform addition and subtraction. No longer would complex calculations be the sole domain of the human mind. Leibniz's step reckoner could perform all four basic arithmetic operations. His step reckoner was a feat of mechanical engineering. Charles Babbage envisioned the future of computing with his analytical engine. It was designed to be a general-purpose computer. Ada Lovelace, daughter of Lord Byron, recognized its true potential. She envisioned a future where machines could manipulate symbols and information. Ada Lovelace became the world's first computer programmer. Her vision laid the groundwork for the digital revolution. The mechanical revolution was fueled by human imagination. A new era was dawning, reshaping the world in unimaginable ways. As the 20th century dawned, the world stood on the brink of a technological revolution. The intricate clockwork of the past gave way to the hum of electricity, ushering in the era of modern computing. At the forefront of this revolution stood Alan Turing, a British mathematician whose genius would forever change the course of history. Turing conceived of the Turing machine, a theoretical device that laid the foundation for the modern computer. His work cracked the Enigma code, a pivotal moment in World War II, proving the immense power of computation. Out of the war-torn skies emerged ENIAC, the electronic numerical integrator and computer. This behemoth, a marvel of vacuum tubes and wires, occupied an entire room and weighed over 27 tons. Yet, it could perform calculations in seconds that would take humans days, ushering in the era of electronic computing. ENIAC was the culmination of centuries of innovation, a testament to the power of human ingenuity. It marked a turning point, a moment when machines began to surpass human capabilities in speed and accuracy. The world watched in awe as these electronic brains began to solve complex equations, predict weather patterns, and even play music. The potential of computing seemed limitless, and the race was on to unlock its secrets. The digital revolution. The invention of the transistor in 1947 was a watershed moment, shrinking the computer from room-sized behemoths to manageable machines. This tiny device, capable of amplifying or switching electronic signals, paved the way for the microchip, a marvel of miniaturization that would revolutionize the world. Companies like IBM emerged, bringing mainframe computers to businesses and universities. These powerful machines, though still large and expensive, began to transform the way we work and process information. But the true revolution began in the 1970s and 80s with the arrival of the personal computer. Suddenly, the power of computing was within reach of individuals, not just governments and corporations. Visionaries like Steve Jobs and Bill Gates led the charge, bringing us Apple and Microsoft, companies that would shape the digital landscape for decades to come. The software boom began, with programmers creating applications for everything from word processing to gaming, unleashing a wave of creativity and innovation. The world was becoming increasingly interconnected, and the computer was at the heart of it all. From the research lab to the living room, the digital revolution was transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. The Internet and Information Age. In the shadows of the Cold War, a new kind of network was taking shape. ARPANET, a project funded by the US Department of Defense, sought to connect researchers and share information across vast distances. It was the seed from which the Internet would grow, connecting not just computers but people and ideas across the globe. The World Wide Web, invented by Tim Berners-Lee, transformed the Internet into a user-friendly platform, accessible to anyone with a computer and a modem. Information that was once locked away in libraries and universities was now just a click away. Search engines like Google emerged, making it possible to navigate this vast ocean of information with ease. The world was shrinking, becoming increasingly interconnected, and with the advent of smartphones, the Internet was no longer confined to our desktops. It was in our pockets, accessible anytime, anywhere. Social media platforms exploded onto the scene, connecting people across continents and cultures. Information flowed freely, transforming the way we communicate, consume news, and interact with the world around us. The information age had arrived, and with it, a new set of challenges and opportunities. The age of AI. Today we stand at the cusp of a new era in computing, the age of artificial intelligence. Machines are no longer just tools for processing information. They are learning, adapting, and even creating. Machine learning algorithms analyze vast datasets, identifying patterns and making predictions with astonishing accuracy. Artificial intelligence powers everything from self-driving cars to personalized medicine. Computers are now generating code, creating art, and even composing music. ChatGPT, a large language model, can hold conversations that are eerily human-like. It can write poems, generate code, and answer your questions in a comprehensive and informative way, blurring the lines between human and machine communication. Have we finally built machines that can think? The question itself sparks debate and fuels our imagination. The answer, it seems, lies not in a simple yes or no, but in the ongoing exploration of the very nature of intelligence itself. As we venture further into the age of AI, we are confronted with profound ethical and philosophical questions. What does it mean to be human in a world increasingly shaped by intelligent machines? The answers, like the technology itself, are still unfolding, leading us down a path of both promise and uncertainty. From pebbles to processors, we've witnessed an incredible journey through the history of computing. What began with simple tools for counting has evolved into machines that can outperform us in complex calculations, process information at lightning speed, and even mimic human creativity. The future of computing promises even greater advancements, blurring the lines between the digital and physical worlds. Quantum computers, with their mind-boggling processing power, hold the potential to revolutionize fields like medicine, materials science, and artificial intelligence. If you enjoyed this digital journey, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment on your favorite computer milestone, and follow us for more amazing history stories. The story of computing is far from over, and we're excited to see what the future holds.